we are here in the actives library, and the library is empty. We need to create a symbol for the switcher, and I usually inspire myself with the symbol from the datasheet, because the symbol in the datasheet is created to be fitting the circuitry. It doesn't necessarily mirror the footprint, because the symbol is something different than footprint. Symbol is for schematic, and we need very readable and comprehensive schematic. So I create a symbol similar to this one. Now I'm creating the symbol in the actives library. So the symbol is LMR5410. I will not derive it from the existing symbol. The reference designator will be U, and everything can be unchanged like this. So now we are in the empty placer for the symbol. I moved the designator far from the center of the coordinates because I want to create a symbol in here. So we have the VCC port. I will keep the pin number empty, and I will show you later how to fill the pin number section effectively and without any issues. So VCC will be power input, of course. Under the VIN is the enable input. So another port is enable, it's input. Let's say here, shortly about distance of the ports. The KiCad was designed for this distance. This is exactly 100 mil distance in the measures of the internal KiCad dimensions. So something smaller is not great, because the labels then don't fit in between ports, and anything more can be useful, because for instance you can fit a symbol for the capacitor in between the ports, so the nets can be short and the schematic is then easy to read.